Chair Weasel Productions presents fuel pump replacement for the Subaru Forester 2.5X. Here are the tools for the job. Phillips screwdriver, socket 8mm with an extension, something to help push off the fuel line. This is just a piece of scrap wood with a channel in it. A magnetic parts tray to keep everything from escaping. A panel clip tool or something similar, pliers, rubber gloves, paper towels to catch fuel drips, and it's always good to stay hydrated. Okay, with the back seats down and the rear end empty, you will want to remove this. You will want to pull this out. Yeah, mine's come out a little once before. Okay, flip this up. If you cut these up a little bit, it may be a little bit more difficult in somebody's car who hasn't had this done before. This will come up. Once it comes up, we will have access to the fuel pump right there. I'll just tuck these back in, kinda. There we go. Anyway. Then we will be able to put this back in and give us a place to work. Screwdriver, this little tool, wrench that I keep down here. Once we remove these 4 screws and put them in the magnetic parts tray, then we will have access to the fuel pump. This is the line out. It's easily removed by squeezing that and then popping off. Electricals, push this down, pop it off. This one has a little clip right here to clamp, whatever. This little wooden tool will help to push the hose off. Anything, you can make it yourself. This tool is used to deal with this little guy because he's very difficult to push back far enough to let the pump out. This guy is perfect for doing the nuts. Once you get into here, you want to use a cloth or a duster, get the dirt off, remove these nuts, remove these lines, and you will be able to then pull the pump out once you get this kind of wedged back out of the way to allow it to get past that. And then you're going to have to do some twisting and whatnot to get it to come out. It'll try to hang up on the edge a little bit, but that's the hardest part. And then put the new one in, hose back on. I don't have a special tool for that. You'll want some pliers. You put a cloth over the pliers and pull it on. I could only get it that far. This one clips on back easily, and this one clips in back easily. Nuts go back on with no trouble, and the cover goes back on with no trouble. And then it's not hard to reverse the trunk panels in the car. They go right back where they came from. That is about it. This is the actual footage of me changing out the fuel pump. Please excuse the background audio of humming from my neighbor gun-iding his pool. The first part that I'm doing is removing the hoses and electrical and using some paper towels to mop up any spills of gas. Come on, let's get you out of the way, huh? and fuel fumes. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Stick a little water paper towel in it just so nothing burbles out. And this little guy's gonna have to come off. Okay, time for our little pliers. There we go. Scooch you down here. I made a little tool for this. Okay. It's just a piece of wood with a channel in it. And we go. Push. And we're almost there. Keep pushing. And off it goes. Believe me, that is easier than it would have been otherwise. Let's tuck this guy back up there. Okay. This paper towel's not working anymore. Okay, so now, as you can see, we are loosening there. Let's get this in there too. Okay. They don't like staying under there. So here is our little tricky bit. And what this is truly good for is just getting this little guy to go under. And then it becomes not too difficult. And then this is what the trash bag is really for. Pull this up. You have to give it a bit of a twist. Get it to come out there. It's to hang on the edge there. Okay. Let's get you out of there. There. Out she comes. There is our float right there. The fuel filter. And the defective sending unit. I can feel the gas on my hand, so we're going to get this in the bag real fast. Alright. Out we go. Bye-bye, Daddy. Now then, we gotta just get this little guy back in there kind of the same way. We gotta do a little twisting and turning, getting this under there, and then twisting around, and then getting that under there. Okay, get that above it. Just push this guy back in there. Now, the tricky bit. Getting this stupid plate to go back above it. Okay. You just need to get far enough out of the way to let this actually come down. Whoa! Oh, still gotta push that plate back. It's in there. It is in the way. Maybe if I can grab one of these screw holes with it. Yes. Come on. You want to do it. You want to move back. I don't know what it's attached to. And then apparently it's flexible. So, let's try this again. See if we can get that out of the way to start with. There we go. There we go. We're cooking with gas now. Little pun for the day. Okay, everybody is happily in its place. Pretty much. This guy's gonna come over here. And this guy's gonna come over here. And I gotta get the little orange piece up of the old pup. Forgot that. And we'll start with putting this on here. And then we will take our hose here. Push it on until it clips. Very nice. And push this guy in until it clips. Very nice. And then Now you gotta go back in there. So we can get you going on. We're getting close. Can you see that we're getting close? I don't know. I don't know what you can see. Can you see that at all? I've been pointing at my knees. Come on. Okay, there we go. Get our little clampy and put it just in there. Nice. Alright. Now comes the exceedingly simple part of putting these nuts back on. Okay, what are we down to? 2, 3 left. Now, the final piece. Put this guy back down in, okay. Put this guy back on top. I have no idea which way it goes. It has all these little indentations and whatnot. Doesn't seem to matter. I don't know if I have it backwards from before, or if I had it backwards from the time before that, or the time before that, because I took a peek in here just to see what I was dealing with. I have no idea. Really don't. And I really can't see how it matters, because it's definitely got clamps over all of the little hoses in there, and nothing here seems to correspond with a hose. I don't know. Mysteries. Mysteries, mysteries. Why do they do anything? I don't know. But we're about to be done here. Okay, the car starts. Will the fuel gauge rise? Oh, it's doing it. The fuel gauge is working.